You have no idea what we've seen in 4 days.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this video so much.
This is basically going to be a tour of Antarctic region or Antarctica, and gosh, the scenery just it's breathtaking and it's word-taking, and it's just you can't even put it in a frame.
Completely mind-blowing. We've seen so much nature, from animals to glaciers to icebergs you won't believe. So stay tuned, subscribe. We're gonna have more than one Antarctic themed video, and we're headed to South America, so you don't want to miss that.
Let's go. Welcome aboard. We are Kathy and Tim, and we retired in 2023 and sold everything, and now we travel the world by air, land, and sea. Antarctica has a beauty all to its own. It's amazing to see. It's amazing to see what wildlife is able to survive here. From the whales and the birds, to the seals and the penguins. The beauty of icebergs floating freely across the sea. Being able to look at glaciers that there's so many of them. It's a whole nother life. And you gotta cross one of the most treacherous passes in all the world, the Drake's Passage. It's known as one of the roughest seas, and in the early days of sailing, it did take a lot of ships. For us this time though, we lucked out. We didn't see the Drake monster. We just got to experience some of the Drake shake. We got a nice passage. It's kind of like crossing the Atlantic for us. Wasn't that rough, but it was really, truly beautiful. And then we got to lay our eyes on our first sight of land.
Am I right, ma'am?
Look at all those penguins. Yeah, for sure you are.
Yes, ma'am. Those are penguins, yes.
Oh,
I
wow.
had to.
Look at the little penguins. Oh.
And so begins day 2 of Antarctica again. It's cold out here, but it is stunning. Can't wait to show you guys. There's a peacefulness in wildlife that is so hard to even describe. It's as if they don't even see us or notice us as they swim by.
That's actual how close we are. Super close. Hi, baby.
Hey there.
Well, we while the time away.
That's what we do.
We look up for whales, penguins, cool stuff.
Icebergs.
He is right there.
He's a little baby. That's a wow.
Yeah, it's a baby humpback. He's just floating.
Yeah.
It's a whale.
Oh, you did. You can see it.
There he is right there. Oh, two of them. Look at him.
Taking in all this beauty, you almost forget you're not alone here, and then you see another ship, and you realize, yes, there are others down here, but they are few and far between.
It's after midnight here in Antarctica, and it is still light outside. It's like twilight. It's only dark for 3 hours, or actually like 2.5 hours a night.
Let's say we walk down the outside of the ship.
Okay.
It's foggy.
It's cold, but it's not that cold.
No,
I mean, Antarctica, you'd think you had to be totally bundled up, and you don't. I mean, for a few minutes, it's okay in a sweater. Like maybe 3 minutes.
So in other words, walk fast, because I don't have a sweater on. I am in a very lightweight shirt. All right, it's 5:50 on New Year's Day, 2026. And I'm going to take you out here to the back of the ship to show you what happened last night. It snowed. Not much snow, but it's still white stuff falling from the sky. And the water is still as all can be. All right, coming around this point, supposedly one of the largest penguin colonies down here. Can you see any penguins?
Not yet, but we've seen them like swimming by. And it supposedly is usually not snowy here, but it is very snowy. Tell me your experience.
They stink.
They reek, don't they?
You know when you go to a zoo and there's like a flamingo pond?
Yeah, that's what it's like. But you can hear them.
Yeah, you can. I don't know if you can hear it on the video.
Even with the monocle, it's hard to see them over there. You can see them, and I guess you can see them with the naked eye a little bit, can you?
Yeah, in the water.
But they,
Oh my gosh, when you look through the monocle,
huh?
it looks like there's 1,000 little snowballs on the beach.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
You can see them,
you can
but
see
you
'em.
can't see them with the camera.
No.
It'll
Unless you
just
got
be
one of those
furry.
Huge lenses.
Yeah.
One of our fellow cruisers introduced us to this new zoom lens for the iPhone. Can't wait to get a hold of it because our lenses obviously did not do the trick on this cruise.
Little
favorite?
penguins and a gigantic iceberg. Look at that. Wow.
Right, we're coming into Admiralty Bay on King George Island. This is part of the Shetland Islands. And this bay is just incredible. I can't wait to show you guys. We've already seen one whale and a whole bunch of penguins just kind of swimming by going, hey, how you doing up there? So, you know, this is just, I can't get over how gorgeous all of this is. Just the true beauty of just seeing icebergs and penguins and whales and just snow-covered mountains that just are majestic sticking out. So let's take a look. Located here are several research bases that are primarily staffed during the summertime. They're perpetually doing work on them, and the penguins seem to enjoy hanging out with the people. So here's the odd part. You're on a cruise and you see a whale and everybody gets excited and they run over there to see the whale. You see penguins. Everybody gets excited. They run over to see the penguins. 3 days of whales and penguins. We're kind of like, yeah, I'll catch the next one.
It's really astounding what a small area the ship can go into and turn around, because it's also a shallow area. We are almost touching the land on both ends of the ship. That's crazy. And the sun has risen on day 4 of our scenic cruising, and today we're going to Elephant Island.
In 1916, the Endeavour was shipwrecked here as part of Shackleton's expedition. His men survived, 22 of them, for 4.5 months, while 5 men went to get help on a small rescue boat. Pretty amazing when you look at this. If you ever have a chance to look at that story, read it. Great piece of history. We'll put a link below to a great book that I read about this.
I don't want to leave.
This has been so much fun and such an incredible view, but the ship is now pulling away.
Yeah, we're headed back to the Falkland Islands and then to Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Good news, back to warmth.
Yeah, follow us. We're going to have a great time in South America, but man, we're going to have to come back.
Oh, man.
Okay. We'll do a little series of a couple videos on this, so be sure to follow. But something you have to see for yourself. There's no way to convey it in pictures or videos adequately. It's something you have to see one time in your life.
Or 2, maybe 3. Now, this is one of those weird cruises to pack for, because you go from Buenos Aires down to here, which means you go from hot to cold. But the cold really isn't that bad all the time. As you can see, I'm just in a puffy vest and a long sleeve t-shirt. Now, am I cold? Yes. Has it gotten really cold? Absolutely. But packing wise, you just need to pack in layers, because this is one of those things where you're going to be in layers, especially on a cruise ship where you're like taking layers off on the inside and putting them on to come onto the outside. But man, look at that, guys. This is incredible. Antarctica really changed us more than we could imagine. And the rest of the time, we were looking for hidden gems all over the ship. Hey, thanks for cruising Antarctica with us, and we look forward to seeing you out on the seas.